Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select contact preferences in the SHEIN app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, let's open the SHEIN app. And here it usually opens up in the shop menu. And from here we have to go into the me menu. Here in the top right corner, there's a little gear. We tap on that. And in the middle, it says contact preferences. We can tap on this. And here we can select by what we want to have our notifications communicated with us. So for example, the SHEIN app can notify you about coupons and different points, which you can use while shopping. And here you can select if you want to be notified by emails, by SMS, or through WhatsApp. So you just have to go into the settings, select contact preferences, and select turn on one of these. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.